Today we'll talk about how can you find messages on your Reming app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above the sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on all conversations. Then here it's going to take you to messages here. You will find all messages you have in this list. So can you just click on it here? Then it's going to show for you here all conversations, all messages. I have nothing here, but if you have any message, you will find it in this list here on your Remain app. So that's all you have to do to find your messages here. That's all. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.